Hello, dear students, boys and girls, IGCSE students. Today, our session will be about blog writing, how to write a blog. First, what is a blog? A blog is an online diary, something personal. There are some features I need you to know them before writing a blog. It's important to know the feature of in writing. The blog's features, they are usually quite personal, written in the first person and written partly for the author's own benefit. It is informal, between informal, semi-formal. So writing a blog needs a certain structure. A well-structured example you can follow is to start with a title. It's a title to catch the reader's eyes, and then put the main point in the first paragraph. After that, you put the detail in the following paragraphs. And the final part, or the last part, will be a background information and your name if you wish to write your name. Now, first person, as I told you, I, and descriptive style, which is describe, not tell. What do I mean by describe, not tell? For example, instead of saying, I thought the book was great, you can say, I explained. You can say, I enjoyed the book and I learned a lot from it. Also, always be polite, respectful of other cultures and opinions, and also be informative, give information. There are things which you have to avoid in writing blogs. Always try to avoid being negative. So if you don't like the topic, don't write about it. It's important to raise issues, but don't try to impose your beliefs or anything you think of on others, but just ask for the opinion, share them. Don't include links to inappropriate materials. Of course, never give specific names, places, addresses, or contact details. As you see, a blog must have a headline which grabs the reader's attention and hints at the topic of the blog. A subheading, the first paragraph that summarizes what the rest of the blog piece is about. The style, informal and humorous. You may move up to semi-formal according who do you have the target for that. Direct address. Why? To show that there is a relationship between you as a writer and the readers. As you can see, all these are features, but important points to keep in mind before writing your blog. And then here I provided you with many samples. Of course, I selected brilliant students' performance, the samples which were assessed to get maybe 16 out of 16, sometimes 15 out of 16. So I need you to read these samples well to change this piece of writing into a piece of cake. As you see here, let's see this example. Write a blog about a film that you have enjoyed watching. As you see in Oxford AQA, you see the word must for this question. So you have 4 points here. You have to include them, the name of the film, where you watched the film, what the film is about, why you liked the film. Of course, you are writing between 70 to 90, but it's not a must. You can exceed that limit. I need you to read these samples well and see here that candidate could get 15 out of 16. Another sample here, write a blog entry about how you celebrated your last birthday. Again, the ideas, the bullet points you have to include, you have to put them, you have to discuss, you have to uh, explain them well. Uh, as you can see, this candidate got 14 out of 16. Another blog here, and the assessment, the mark is 16 out of 16. As you can see, a lot of samples. This is a sample marked by Oxford AQA. This is about my future is coming. And the mark here, as you see, 16 out of 16. These are other samples written by brilliant students. So I need you to enjoy reading, understanding, and preparing yourself for the exam you are going to set. Important, very important to keep in mind that there are audience who are waiting for you, who need you to address them, who need to understand the matter. It's a blog. It's not just an article to be put in a school magazine or no. Here you have action and reaction between you as a writer and others as the audience, as readers. I hope that I could cover the points you need to know about writing a blog, no more than reading, understanding the features well, and reading the samples. In this case, the full mark will be yours. Okay, thank you.